Hey everyone, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we will be unboxing Monthly Knife Club for July 2021. So this box is super late again. I've kind of just come to expect most boxes late. And it's usually the same, they all use the COVID excuse. Anyways, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you have any questions or concerns or comments. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I am opening it backwards because I didn't cross off my address. Okay. So it is a steel will knife, and its total value is $161.99 to $199.99. Okay, so this is steel will. It's called the Intrigue Carbon Fiber. It's made in Italy. Okay. So there's actually two different versions. I'm not quite sure which one I got. Okay, so this one has Buller M390 stainless steel and a carbon fiber handle. So just starting with that, carbon fiber is good, M390's really good. The spacers are anodized red. I like that. The pocket clip's not too flimsy. Seems pretty sturdy. The knife is fairly centered. It opens very smoothly. It's a flipper and a liner lock. Wow, that's a nice knife. So I definitely think I got the value with this box this month. Usually they do pretty good about getting you the value back. So the total cost of this box is $119 plus shipping and handling. So that's about $40 that they pretty much gave to me. So that's pretty good. So the blade length is 3.63 inches and the overall length is 7 inches. So this is actually longer than they say it is. And the blade length is just a bit longer than they said it is also. So it's a bit longer. It weighs 4.21 ounces. So yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with this. I think next month I'm probably gonna decrease it down to the name brand. Just give it a try and see if they also give good knives for those. I've been pretty happy with this company and these boxes that they've given. They've been pretty consistent for the most part. The main thing that bugs me is that they're just late. Okay, so this knife also includes a lifetime warranty. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's do a quick cut test and see if it's a sharp knife. It looks like it probably will be super sharp. Wow. Like I don't even really feel paper resistance like at all. And this is a pretty thick paper. For anyone who's gotten this box, they know that these cards are pretty thick. Yeah, so that's a sharp knife, guys. I think I might have one other steel will knife. I believe I got it from this box. But if I don't, that's great. I like to have at least one of each good brand. Maybe eventually I'll carry this around. I have so many knives right now though. It's gonna be a while before I get to this one. It's really fidgety. It's really, really fun, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks again for watching Survival Addiction, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.